In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a space in Wrike. If you're new to Wrike or just need a refresher, don't worry, I've got you covered. We're going to go through the entire process step by step so you'll be able to create your own workspace with ease. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up your preferred web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you like best. Once you have your browser open, you'll want to go to your search engine and type in Wrike. This will direct you to the main website where all the magic happens. When you've reached the Wrike homepage, you'll see a couple of options to choose from. If you already have an account with Wrike, you'll want to click on Log In. However, if you're new to Wrike and haven't signed up yet, you can click on Try Wrike for free. This option will guide you to set up a new account, which is straightforward and user-friendly. Once you're logged in, you're going to be on the dashboard where you manage your projects. Look towards the top of your screen for something labeled Space. Right below it, there should be a drop-down menu. Click on it, and you'll see an option to add a new space by selecting plus space. Next up, you'll need to decide what kind of space you want to create. Wrike gives you the flexibility to either start from scratch with a blank space or use a pre-existing template. For today's walkthrough, we're going to go with blank. This gives you a clean slate to work from and customize as you need. Once you've chosen to create a blank space, you'll be prompted to add some details to set it up. You'll need to give your space a distinctive name. Think of something relevant and representative of the project or team this space is meant for. Alongside the name, you have the option to include a brief description to outline the purpose or scope of the space. This helps clarify to your team what this space is intended for. Now you need to set the privacy settings. Wrike offers you 3 different options: public, private, or locked. A public space is accessible by anyone in your organization, while a private space is accessible by only the members you invite. Locked spaces are more secure, allowing only invited members, and it restricts certain permissions even among members. Before finalizing, you might want to invite collaborators who will be working with you within this space. You can do this right here by entering their email addresses. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and decided on whom to invite, simply click on Create. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new space in Wrike. This new space is now ready for all your projects, tasks, and team collaborations. Wrike is a fantastic tool to keep everything organized, so dive in and make the most of it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy organizing!